Chevre steht auf Avenue U in Flatbush, right off Ocean Parkway by Wine Tent Liquors. This store is just something else, Chevre. This is an experience like no before. We have over here Dovid. Smachst Reb Dovid. Tizach und der Michael Aleichem Shunem. Gavati und der Michael dort. Just Chevre, let me show you something that's you don't see anywhere else. Yeah, that's real. Amudei Shayish. Wow. Who remembers that? Record players. So Shum Aleichem, Dovid.
How are we doing?
Let me tell you something, Dovid. What I heard from friends of mine. Not what I heard from friends of mine told me that they come here from Borough Park. It's a 15-minute drive. It's Avenue U off Ocean Parkway. The exact address is 714 Avenue U. They come here because your prices are about 15% to 20% cheaper than a regular Borough Park store. Is that true?
So we're cheaper, something's more, something less. We'll discount things if it's a bigger order. We like you, you're a regular, we'll take care of you. Better than pricing, we'll give you what's good for you, that works, we'll recommend you. The selection is fantastic. People make simchas and they bring back, let's say 20-30% didn't open, they'll bring it back to me.
You'll take it back?
We'll take it back. We take it back.
We'll start again. That just went over my head.
You have a simcha. You're not sure how much to get. You are too nervous to get too much, too little. You're going to overpay. You're going to get stuck with it.
You're saying a guy's making a simcha and he wants alcohol by the simcha.
Yeah.
A guy like Psachia Berkowitz, a guy who's making a chasana.
Something nice.
He wants to fill up the tables with bottles. How's it go?
He fills up. He took his order. Bring back the unopened bottles. We'll give you, not a credit. We're giving you back what you paid for it.
Wow. That's something special. That's something I never heard of. You take back the closed bottles from a simcha. Somebody making a Shabbat Shev brachas, bar mitzvah, l'chaim, whatever it is.
Yes.
All right, take us in, David. Let's see the prices. I want to see the prices. It's coming perm now. Let me see the prices and let me see your variety.
So you have regular prices, you have sale prices, and we always discount things. Okay, so we have a crazy French selection. We have some of the same bottles, just an older vintage because it'll taste better. And we'll bring them out before Purim. We'll bring out more because people want nicer items. So we have a very, very good selection. There's about 80 French bottles on the shelf.
Really? Okay. French. I'm not into French, but I'm sure there are people who are very into French bottles. Let me hear one more time.
I don't have a preference which bottle to sell you. I want what's good for you. If this is your taste, that's what you're getting. Not that this one I make more or less. To me, I could show you something here and in most of the stores. All around the store. This is $41.99.
What type of bottle is this?
So this is a bottle that everybody knows called the Yarden Cab.
Okay, how much is it?
It's $41.99 regularly. On Pesach, on Purim, on different Yom Tov, we'll put it for $37.99, $38. Depends what we got it for.
Normally this bottle goes in regular stores for a good $50.
$45 in a cheap store and closer to $50. Maybe.
Wow,
and I've seen
prices are really, really cheaper.
A lot of stores $50. Now the rest, some stores will keep the same as the cab. But really, they shouldn't be. Regularly, you'll buy the Merlot for $35.99. Wow. It shouldn't be the same price as the other ones because it costs me less, so it costs you less. Wow. Whatever I could get for better, I'm giving you better.
Look at this. By the box, you charge cheaper.
So always there's a discount by the case. It could be from 10 to 15%. Alexander 36. I think it's about closer also to 50 in some stores or 40 something.
You really cut the price. Really cut the price.
Give a treat to the guys. They take care of me, I take care of them.
Wow, and some exotic bottles you have as well?
Always. You have the biggest selection in all tequilas, in the bourbons. The bourbons you can't find, they finished, we'll find it. We have it, we'll get it.
So stuff that people know that are rare items that is hard to find, you're gonna have it, David.
We try to have it, we'll get it, we'll order extra to save
Amazing. Wow. That looks like
the orphan barrels, everybody knows. Everyone's looking for a whole bunch of different ones.
There's a new bottle that somebody told me about called the Moses bottle.
Yes, so Moses is a jeweler. He's the top jeweler in the city. He has a few million followers.
Almost as much as me, okay?
Yeah, almost as much as you. And Chevre just came in and they cleared me out a couple of cases, so we just unloaded more. So we always try to buy more because
this is the famous Moses bottle?
This is Moses
tequila.
And you won't find it anywhere else.
For the price that you have it for.
Anything close to the price.
Wow, okay, Chevre, let's compete him yet. People are buying wine, tequila, all types. If you want to really get your worth for your money, this is the place. I mean, I've seen the prices. You're really a lot cheaper. And the customer service?
Customer service is good. We don't want you to rush on a Friday. We'll be open closer to 11, 12 Thursday nights. Motzei Shabbos, you have a Simcha Sunday. Most Motzei Shabbos we're open. If not, we'll post on our status that we're not.
All right, so the status is your phone number, right?
My phone
and that's,
number.
You could order on your phone number. Somebody calls you. You could order
Send
cases.
order,
and you deliver to Bar Park as well.
We deliver.
Wow, so Chavre, you could just call them up. Tell them you want a case of tequila. Tell them you want a case of alcohol. Whatever you need, and it's literally cutting the price in very, very big. And of course, if you mention the Chaim Perlowitz status, what are we gonna get? 5% off? You want to give?
The non-sale items, 10 to 15.
Really?
Sure.
Wow, this guy just blew me over. 10 to 15% off on the non-sale items. You mentioned the Chaim Perlowitz status. Have a check out with Dovid, 714 Avenue U. Beautiful, beautiful store. Nice record player playing the old Amudi Shaish tracks. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, Chavre. All bottles, all types, and he's honest. Chavre, he's not listening now. Let me tell you, this guy is an honest guy. He'll tell you what you like. He won't try to sell you some stuff. Check it out with Dovid. Oh, Dovid, you listening?
Listening.
I don't want you to hear. All right, Dovid, I'm going to check in with you, Metz Hashem.
Thank you.
Check it out with Dovid, look with Peter, look with Paisach. All the Tovim are coming, Dovid.
Yes, they are.
The number's going to be on the screen. Call him up, tell him he's on the Chaim Perlowitz status. He'll deliver to your doorstep a case of whatever you want, bottle whatever you want. Galore, tequila, Shulam 202, where you at? All right.